My name is Susil Madhukar. I am Global Customer Success Head for Cotelligent and its parents company Tech Democracy. I am based in US. Cyber skills, and if we are talking about cyber warrior, it's again building enforcement, right? And like government is saying, and this is a need, right? That it's an ongoing war. So you cannot put it limit plan for creating the cyber warrior. This is just an initiative, and this initiative is intended to build cyber skills, cyber warrior inland of Hyderabad, and fill the gap across the globe. Because our Indian minds are always better, and we are just trying to improve. We already have those skills. We just need to enable and innovate. And the Cyber Warrior program is meant for that. That at least next 2 to 3 years, we have a target that we want to go for first mile, first phase, complete 1,000 in implement, and then take it forward. And thanks to government of Telangana, we are working with Task, we are working with CCOE, and they are fully supportive. I will say that this is one of the better state program who is focused onto the cyber security, and this is a hub we are going to innovate. Cotelligent is, so let me put it like that we are a cyber security boutique company. We only focus on cyber security as primary. And our goal is not to just go and provide the service, but our goal is to do the research and development. Keep innovative, because like I was explaining it, proactive threat analysis is key. And you can only do if you are in research. You have the awareness. And that is where we collaborate the global mind and our global resources in Cotelligent, that how the cybersecurity market is, how the cybersecurity trend is, what is the threat perception. Because unless you have the risk perception analyze, you don't know how much cybersecurity you need, right? And that is what one of the questions we were looking in, that you need to know what risk you have it, right? You don't need everything, right? You need only that much which is required to you. And that enablement we are going to build. We will have the layered approach, we will have the skills built accordingly, so that whomsoever need that skills and that need is fulfilled. And that is where Cotelligent is all about. Around 4 years before, we started that initiative, that services are there, but there are a lot of costly product in market. And since we being the services company, we know what is the pain point our clients are going through. And that is where we incept and develop a product called Intellicta. Intellicta is an integrated risk management program. And that is a framework which we build it, we develop it, and now it's live. Even that product came into the Gartner Magic Quadrant, and it's already with our clients. So what that product does is, it does the analysis, it's proactively detect that what is the risk you have. So there are 3 steps, right? Analyze, detect, and then protect. So what we help the client with that, hey, this is your risk perception, this is your risk score, and this product does in real time. So, and it's not cost, it's available in SaaS, it's available on premise. You just take that product, plug and play, it's a 1-week job, and then you will know that where you are into the risk circle, right? So yes, we came into the product, and our goal is to help client, not with the services, but help with the product too.